In this video, you will learn about IR remote control from your Accent device using Empower version 1.09. Now you can control your TV and other IR remote control devices directly from your Accent device. Please note, to use the IR Remote Controls app, the device needs to be unlocked by purchasing an integrated feature pack. Contact sales at printroom.com for more information. For this demonstration, we will use IR remote control for a TV. You will learn how to add an IR remote, how to edit and delete an IR remote, and how to fix and add a signal. Step 1. Gather what you need. This includes the device to control, like the TV, the IR remote for that device, and your Accent device running Empower version 1.09 software. Do yourself a favor and make sure your remote has fresh batteries before you get started. Now let's talk about how you will access the IR Remote Control app. From your vocabulary, select Menu, and then select Toolbox, Applications, and IR Remote Controls. Let's see what that looks like on the device. Now we're ready to add a remote control. First, select Add IR Remote. From the IR Remote page, you will select the text field to name your remote. You might call it living room or bedroom or kitchen. You can either go down to the next tab or select Next. Choose the number of buttons you want on your remote control page. Then choose the type of device you are controlling, such as a TV or a DVD player. Select the arrows or text field to search for the manufacturer of the device you want to control, such as Pioneer, Vizio, etc. Choose your manufacturer and then go to the Find My Remote tab. Select Test to see if the buttons on the remote page control your device. Select a function to try on your remote page to see if it will control your device. Make sure there is nothing between your Accent and the device you want to control. If the button works as expected, select Choose. Now that you've programmed your remote, let's use it. From the IR remote page in my Accent, I can turn on the TV, use my arrow keys to scroll down through my different apps on my smart TV, select Netflix and select my profile, and I can use the arrow keys to go through the choices of videos I can watch on Netflix, and then use Select to select my choice. The same controls on my IR remote page would work for changing channels on my TV. Now we'll learn how to edit and delete an IR remote. To edit an IR remote page that you have already programmed, select Edit IR Remote and choose the remote that you want to edit. You'll notice a little pencil icon in the corner of that button. Then you'll use the editor to make changes. You can add, edit, swap, resize, cut, copy, and paste buttons. Refer to our user's guide on our website to learn more. If you want to delete an IR remote, just select Delete IR Remote and the remote you want to delete. You'll see the red trash can up in the corner of that cell, and then confirm your choice. Sometimes you will find that one of the buttons on your remote control page is not working. In that case, you need to fix or add a signal. To do this, you'll first select Edit IR Remote and choose the remote you want to edit. Next, select Learn IR Signal. Select the button on your remote page that isn't working. Now you will point the remote control at the center of the top of the back of the Accent from 2 to 6 inches away. See the image here. Select Learn Signal now. You will have 10 seconds to complete Step 3. Press and release the button on the remote control that you want to learn, and then wait. You will hear the Accent beep if the signal is learned. If not, try again. Select Test Current Signal to confirm that the signal is working. For additional resources, check out our website at www.printroom.com.